Phylum Mollusca. Likewise, the word mollusca is derived from Greek words molluscus, soft. Body is soft. The animals of phylum Mollusca are bilaterally symmetrical with little segmentation and without appendages. The size of body ranges from microscopic to a giant, that is, octopus. They have reduced body cavity or hemocoel. They have an open circulatory system and kidney-like excretory organs. Their body is divided into an anterior head, a vascular muscular foot, and a hard dorsal visceral mass. Foot is used for movement. The entire body of mollusca is covered by a fold of thin skin called mantle. This mantle secretes a hard calcareous shell of one or more pieces. Some common examples of mollusca are chiton, octopus, pilla, unio, and sepia cuttlefish.